Good evening, I'm Jesse Williams, and you're watching Blitz News. Based on a current Iceland volcano situation, tonight, we might ask ourselves and delve into the fascinating natural phenomenon that has shaped our planet for millions of years: volcanoes. Have you ever wondered how these towering mountains of fire are formed? Let's break it down. Volcanoes are one of Earth's most dramatic displays of geological activity. They are formed when molten rock, known as magma, rises from the Earth's mantle, a layer located beneath the crust. This process begins deep within the Earth, where temperatures are so intense that rocks melt into a thick, molten state. As this magma rises, it finds weak spots in the Earth's crust, often at the boundaries of tectonic plates. These plates are massive slabs of rock that float on the semi-fluid mantle. When they shift, they can create openings or cracks through which magma can escape. Once the magma reaches the Earth's surface, it's called lava. The force of the rising magma can be so powerful that it causes the ground to bulge and crack, leading to an eruption. During an eruption, lava, ash, and gases are expelled, sometimes with explosive force, creating the iconic volcano shape. Over time, most volcanoes are found along tectonic plate boundaries. For example, the Ring of Fire around the Pacific Ocean is home to some of the world's most active volcanoes. However, volcanoes can also form in the middle of tectonic plates due to hotspots where magma breaks through the crust, such as in Hawaii. What happens to the environment and the broader system after a volcanic eruption? Immediate local effects: lava flows. Molten rock lava flows out of the volcano, destroying everything in its path. It can cover large areas, creating new landforms like plateaus or islands. Pyroclastic flows. These are fast-moving clouds of hot gas, ash, and volcanic rock that can travel down the sides of a volcano at high speeds, devastating everything in their path. Ashfall. Volcanic ash can be ejected high into the atmosphere and carried over vast distances, settling on the ground and potentially disrupting agriculture, transportation, and daily life. Lahars. These are volcanic mud flows or debris flows that occur when volcanic material mixes with water, often from melted snow or rain. Lahars can be highly destructive, burying towns and altering landscapes. 2. Environmental impact: destruction of vegetation and wildlife. The immediate area around the volcano may be destroyed, leading to the loss of forests, animal habitats, and agricultural land. Water contamination. Ash and chemicals from the eruption can contaminate rivers, lakes, and groundwater, harming aquatic life and making water unsafe for human consumption. Climate effects. Large eruptions can inject significant amounts of ash and sulfur dioxide into the stratosphere, forming aerosols that reflect sunlight and cool the Earth's surface. This can lead to temporary climate cooling, volcanic winter, and disrupt weather patterns globally. Acid rain. Sulfur dioxide released by the eruption can combine with water vapor in the atmosphere to form sulfuric acid, leading to acid rain. This can damage vegetation, soil, and aquatic ecosystems. 3. Long-term geological change: new landforms. The eruption can create new landforms such as calderas, large volcanic craters, lava plateaus, and volcanic islands. Soil fertility. Over time, the breakdown of volcanic materials can lead to fertile soils, which can eventually support rich plant life, though this process may take years or decades. Erosion and landscape alteration. Erosion of volcanic deposits can reshape the landscape over time, creating new valleys, rivers, and other landforms. Global impact: air travel disruption. Volcanic ash clouds can disrupt air travel over large regions, as ash can damage aircraft engines and systems. Global cooling. Significant eruptions can lead to global cooling by injecting large amounts of ash and gases into the atmosphere, reducing sunlight reaching the Earth's surface. In summary, a volcanic eruption has both immediate and long-term effects on the local environment, human communities, and even the global climate. The severity and scope of these effects depend on the size and type of the eruption. That's all for tonight on Blitz News. Stay with us as we continue to bring you the latest stories from around the globe. I'm Jesse Williams, wishing you a safe and informed evening.